What is up, guys? Welcome back to Motorhead YouTube channel. Today's video we actually have an exciting new build. We went and picked it up a couple weeks ago. It's a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. It's the Willys edition, and it was a run and drive, so we drove down to the auction and got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll that footage and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so we kind of messed up. We woke up a little late. It's about 7 o'clock right now. We're currently heading over there to get the Jeep. Where is it at?
Macon, Georgia.
How far away is that?
It's about 200 miles. Yeah, I think it's about 200 miles each way.
What do you think, like 2.5 hours?
Yeah. I don't know though. With Dooley's truck here, it might take a little longer.
It might be 3 hours.
It's 3 hours.
This is that Ford Ranger, that Ranger Danger, but it's gonna get us there safely.
Y'all know this truck.
Yeah. So we're gonna start heading out, and we'll just go ahead and document some of the trip and let you guys know what the build looks like.
We are going to Macon, Georgia. That place is pretty sketchy, so we might have some cool footage.
Yeah. Hopefully nothing sketchy.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get them.
So they just brought the Jeep out, and guys, it looks amazing. I mean, it's not super clean inside. There was dogs in it before, but that's not a big deal. Look at this. Not even hurt.
Barely hit, dude.
Look at that. I mean, this is just gonna need a little, maybe a tiny pull right here. Possibly some more up underneath there, but that's not a double wall, so we'll get that out easy.
Yeah, we got really lucky with this thing, dude.
Yeah, and we already have a lid and the glass. You know, we order our parts before the vehicle even pulls up.
Yeah.
And, we're going to put bump. Well, we'll tell you guys that later, but pretty happy with it. Let's see if it starts.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's got a little navy.
Hold on, we forgot to check the oil, boys. That was.
Has it got oil?
Gotta go get oil.
Dang.
It has no oil in it whatsoever. Look at that.
Good thing you checked that.
Yeah. I don't know what made me do that. Probably my right or my left brain. Definitely not the right brain.
Pulled up. We got the main man outside.
Right there, that's Scott right there. You don't want to mess with him. You hear that? We got a cork like that.
Count ourselves. Lace, man.
Hey, whose rooster is that? Scott.
Scott. Scott, we needed 3/8.
Best way to use this bit. Go slow, use cutting fluid, don't use a pilot hole.
Okay. All right, we need a 3/8. It's gonna be right here.
So we need.
See this 135 right here? That means the way that the edge is cut. So if you drilled a 5/16 pilot hole, you're gonna work it up. There's already a hole in there. As soon as you stick that bit in there, it's gonna rip the edges off the bit.
Yeah, see that. It says self-centering.
Yeah, it's not gonna walk. So if you stuck it right there and started drilling, it's gonna stay right there. It shouldn't walk around on you. But when you go, whoa, you're trying to get that wrong.
She said wrong.
It's kind of how we've been doing it.
Yeah.
I don't go
Yeah,
wide
don't go
open.
wide
They
open.
do. They do.
A high-speed drill bit is you use it low speed
Really?
and cutting fluid.
I go slow. I sometimes don't
Surely
use
y'all
cutting.
have this, right? Y'all have this?
No, we gotta get some.
Okay, yeah. This is good. This is a wax. It's not quite as messy.
Yeah, I've used that before.
Just run your bit in there. It keeps it from getting hot.
Is that cheaper than that? Actually, I want that. That won't spill.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, it's not as messy.
All right, let's go.
Thank you,
y'all learned
Scott.
something today. You're welcome.
What you got? Bring her down here.
But some wax.
Some wax.
You're bad as your papa.
You know how much they charge? Nah, I'm kidding. That was a good. That was a good deal.
He might be.
That was a good deal. Hey, this guy right here is gonna start his own YouTube channel.
Look me up. Hit like, comment.
How are they gonna look you up? How do they look you up?
I'll just ask him. He's gonna set it up for me.
So we need to install these bump stops. To do that, we need to drill a 3/8 hole right here.
You put that wax on there?
Oh, my bad. You got me.
What'd you buy it for, you know? Why?
All right. No, it wasn't worth it.
All right, go ahead. Go a little bit more, Paul. A little bit more.
All right.
That may be too small.
No, that's it.
Yeah, that looks too small.
All right, so now we just need to tighten everything down. Set the wheelbase relatively same, and then
Do we need to set the wheelbase when we do the back, or we do?
oh yeah, shocks. Let's pop the shocks on.
Yeah. And then we need to tighten down these pucks. You need to put that washer back on it so you don't forget.
Oh, I put a washer on mine.
Oh, it's not adjustable control arms? It didn't go all out with the lift system?
Yeah, these are nice.
Yeah, they look good.
They're at a stop. At a stop.
Give me a pack.
Compared to the other ones that they used to have, the cheaper looking ones.
Yeah, they need that.
Goes right up in there.
Oh, I know what I
Can you
need.
get it
I
from
need a
the-
17. I need the.
Can you get it from the top?
I need a future. Hold on.
What do you gotta do? Let's see it.
So we're gonna put this. We're gonna put this on here.
like that. There she goes.
There it goes. Nice. Man, those are some nice looking shocks though.
Yeah, they
Are
are.
these the upgraded ones, Paul? These aren't the. Oh, these are the V2s.
Yes.
Sick.
Dang, they look nice. You have to drop that down.
Oh, with the little bracket.
Yeah, we got a little drop down bracket for it.
What's up, Mr. G?
We got V-Tune helping us out here. What's up, Vlad? What do you think of the lift kit?
I think it's amazing, man.
Yeah?
I think it looks good.
What do you think about how we got V-Tune over here helping us?
You know you gotta call a professional every
Stuck in a dead spot, you know.
Well, in death wobble, you call V-Tune in.
That's right. Check this out, guys. Look at how awesome this thing looks with this lift. We got the wheels on it. Look at how straight that spring is sitting. Usually when you go this high, that spring likes to cock back as everything moves back, but thanks to these brackets right here that we got from Rough Country, everything is sitting exactly where it's supposed to be. We need to still go through and tighten everything down real nice, but right now we are actually doing the back. Paul is starting on the back. And we wanted to do the rear, that way when we measure the wheelbase to tighten these bolts down, we can set it as close as possible. So we're going to get these.
Wait, bracket drop back on both sides of the
Do what?
on both sides of the track bar?
No, just right here.
So we don't have to take this side out.
No.
He didn't tighten the track bar. Come on, man.
V-Tune here, the man, the myth, the legend, didn't tighten the track bar down. We can't go on a cruise.
And you need to also tighten the fitment arm because, you know, I forgot.
All right, guys. So we're going on a little cruise. Just had a little issue with ABS engaging.
Pretty sure it was because of that. She drives straight.
Yeah, I'm straight. Did it fix the problem?
I mean, I don't know yet. We're gonna have to get going a little bit faster. Okay, so we don't have the steering stabilizers on yet, and we haven't done alignment yet. Look at this puppy.
Driving nice.
just high. All right, so check this out, guys. We got the lift completely finished. We have not got the alignment done yet, though, because just the time frame. We have to make an appointment. Everybody's really busy right now. We also have not installed the steering stabilizers because we want to paint them the same color as the Jeep. And we're not gonna do the fenders and tubes, right, bud? Not yet.
Not yet.
Obviously. It's
Not
Friday.
yet.
Huge shout out to Rough Country. Man, they did an amazing job putting together this lift for us. Installing this lift was probably one of the most easiest lifts I've done of this nature. Like, to go this high, to have this setup, and to have it to be that easy to install, I mean, that's just amazing. Another thing I wanted to add is with this lift, a lot of these lifts, when you go up this high, it completely changes the ride, and also it pitches the axle back really bad and bends this spring right here and makes it point backwards. And you have a lot of problems. Like, we've dealt with a lot of these Jeeps that are lifted, and you have a lot of issues. This right here, we installed it, we drove it down the road, we corrected the steering wheel a little bit, and that was it. And it drives perfectly. So, you know, if you need a lift kit, Rough Country is definitely a way to go, for sure. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, and check us out on Instagram at motorhead.co. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Oh,